Welcome back. Now, it's possible that you may want to have a page inside of your funnel that your affiliates will get credited for if a customer buys, but you don't want to have it so that when a customer sees an upsell and a downsell that they see this product also. So perhaps maybe you're going to have this product available to your customer on your thank you page, or you're going to have it available inside of an email. Either way, you can set it up so that an affiliate will be credited with a sale from this product without having the customer to see it at the point of purchase. And so you'll notice here that Warrior Plus questions you on why this page is not in your funnel. That's because we've not attached it to any of the upsells or downsells. But the fact that it's included within the offer, when a customer clicks on the buy button, if that customer has been sent by an affiliate, the affiliate will be still credited with the sale of this product. And we can do that with additional products. All we need to do is to add in a sales page URL and then connect that sales page URL to one of our existing products on the network. What that means then is that any offer that we have available is adjustable by having us add a new product to that offer, even if we don't add it to the actual chain where the customer is going to see the product after a purchase. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.